your LG washing machine. First of all, the water is connected automatic. You on it from here. Fix it. So this is Omo position. You add your Omo, and this place is for the toe. That is the toe position. You lock it. So this cloth so this is the button where you operate it to start washing. Number one is sportswear. If you are washing sportswear, okay, I did not on it. Okay. This is the on button. The on button, and this is the operator button. If you want to select the kind of clothes you are washing, number one is sportswear. Number two is delicate wool. Quick 30. Quick 30 is that if you want the clothes to just be washed 30 minutes. Rinse plus spin. If you want to rinse the clothes and spin the water out. This, if you are washing cotton like mixed, if the cloth is mixed. Easy care, baby care, if you are washing the baby clothes. So let me select the one I want to use. I want quick 30. I just want the clothes to be washed 30 minutes. Intensive. This intensive. If the cloth is dirty, wash it very well. Intensive. Pre-wash. If the cloth is not dirty, pre-wash. Then you select the one you want. If the cloth is dirty, you use intensive. If the cloth is not dirty, you use pre-wash. Let me remove it from intensive. Now it's in pre-wash. The cloth is not dirty. And this is on button. That is go on. So if I want the cloth to start washing, I will pick this button. I will pick it from here. I'll pick this button. Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow. The indicate arrow. So if I click washed, okay, let me click it first. Okay. The thing has locked automatic. That is this red key that you are seeing here. It has locked automatic. So the cloth has started washing. Oh, let's see. Good.